At Kinetik Wellbeing, we believe technology has an important role to play in making all of our lives better. The dual channel pain reliever has 12 therapeutic modes to provide different massage effects. It has 20 intensity levels to suit different parts of the body, an adjustable timer, a large LCD display, and the device can be charged by USB. The product contains a pain reliever device, a USB charger lead, 2 sets of channel leads, 4 adhesive gel pads, a quick start guide and an instruction manual. The wireless pain reliever is convenient and discreet, offers 15 intensity levels, has a 20-minute timer, a handy travel case, and is simple and easy to use. The product contains a pain reliever device, adhesive gel pads, quick start guide, and an instruction manual. Replacement pads for both pain relievers can be purchased separately.
Step 1. Prepare. Remove the film from the gel pads. Step 2. Connect. Place the pads on the area of treatment before turning on the device. Step 3. Power. Switch on your TENS machine. Step 4. Adjust. Select the mode and increase the intensity to suit you. Use the device to ease your pain in the comfort of your own home.